The fuck railway is doing literally no update at all. Very shortly your guide the link to change the zone if you wish to. Where is that link, man? God, they have a link. This is obnoxious. This is totally horrific. Yeah, you're just getting our time. We don't have any clue when we are going to guide the link so that we modify it, other things get proceeded. Yeah, this is blunder. This is a very disaster with railway trains. We need to take care of this thing because this is our precious time, and railway is not valuing this at all.